We are in Antibes, on the southern coast of France, and we got here chasing a dream, trying a super yacht like this. I find the design of this sofa just beautiful. The bathroom is the most luxurious and elegant I've ever seen. This can be mine. The guests stay comfortably in any cabin because this deck is located below the water level, and here you don't feel the movement of the boat. This means that we are travelling 0.45 miles per litre. It's crazy. It's so crazy that I don't believe it. 1,800 revs a minute. The speed is 14.5 to 15 knots. And now, if you'll excuse me,